The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas, when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland.
Happy holidays, Mr. J. I must admit, I might have been a little naughty this year. By the way, if I butcher Harley Quinn's accent, I'm sorry. I can't do accents of any kind. I can't even do my own accent with my own voice. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do Harley Quinn. Get it? Harley. Actually, I think the last time I did any kind of Harley Quinn makeup was like at least 2 years ago, before I launched my YouTube channel. So yes, Harley Quinn is definitely overdue on the YouTube video channel. By the way, everything I did makeup wise was based on this wig. I love this wig so much, and it barely fits my head, but I still love it. And I use like hair chalk, or like the art kind of chalk, to color my hair. Did you ever do that? I used to do that in middle and high school, color my own hair. But now I just kind of do it for stuff like this. I just realized one shoulder it looks like I got sunburnt so bad, and then the other one looks like I got some sort of alien skin condition. But as long as you like cover your shoulders with it, no one will ever know. Except the people I just told you right now. And I made my little hair clips out of the holly. I can't even say holly. Now I just want to say Harley with Harley Quinn's accent. Holly. I made these hair clips out of the decor. Man, my accent is getting worse and worse. Anyway, I made this and put a bunch of glitter on it. Long story short. Plus, I think I like this hair because it reminds me of my Junko and Oshima hair. I haven't heard anything about you guys wanting Junko and Oshima. I don't know, maybe you don't like this hair. Maybe you like Hope. I don't know, if you want Junko and Oshima, you gotta leave a like on this video and comment down below. Otherwise, I'll never know. Why am I talking about Junko and Oshima in this video? I don't know. It's the wig. I don't know. Anyway, enough mumbling about my hair. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, and you're excited for the holiday season, please hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and smack the subscribe button and join the horsepower. No more horsing around. Let's get right into the video, and let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do is add my usual foundation to my face and do my usual kind of like highlights, contours, everything that you normally do to your face. I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. Again, everybody has their own way of doing the eyebrows, so just do it how you normally do it. If you want to do it kind of like Harley Quinn, you could add more of like an angle so you look more evil. So I'm gonna prime my eyes, and then I'm going to make this side green, like a green eyeshadow, and then this side's gonna be red. So you can either use red and green liquid liners or some sort of liquid something. But I'm using body paint, so I'm going to be using red and green body paint and continuing the streaky look here. When I do the streakiness, I'm going to use my finger and kind of tap it out so it looks kind of faded. would be using darker green eyeshadow on this side and darker red eyeshadow on this side and deepen my shading. And with a tiny bit of black, I'm gonna deepen it even further. Taking a black eyeliner, I'm gonna line my eyes. Now I will add my mascara. With black paint on the right side of my cheek, I'm gonna write the word naughty. If you're looking in a mirror though, make sure you spell it the correct way or write it the correct way so it's not backwards. If you're wondering what my trick is, literally I just hold the word naughty up to the mirror and I copy what I see in the mirror. And with red paint, I'm gonna make my Jingle Bell collar. Actually, first, I'm gonna make the shadow that the collar would be making on my neck, and then I'm gonna add the red paint. And follow that shading up with a little bit of black. I'm gonna shade my collar with red eyeshadow. And I'm gonna make my little jingle bell with gold paint. Now I'm gonna shade the jingle bell. You could either use body paint or you could use eyeshadow. I'm going with body paint, but if you don't have body paint, you could always use brown eyeshadow. And with white body paint, I'm going to highlight my little bell and the collar. So for Harley's corset, I'm going to do half green on this side, half red on this side, and we'll go from there. Remember that awkward video with me doing On from Persona 5? Yeah, that awkward video where I was showing you how to draw boobs. Yeah, we're gonna do that again. Might not be as complicated this time. I'm gonna probably keep it a little simpler. So I'm gonna use medium brown eyeshadow. It's like the same eyeshadow I've been contouring with. Whatever eyeshadow you usually use to contour, you're just gonna make little boob lines. I don't know if that's the technical term for it, but I'm sticking to it. Pretty simple. And a little bit on this side. A little bit of blushy glitter. And we're gonna draw it on our fake boobs. You know, while we're doing the contour stuff, I'm gonna kind of define my collarbone a little bit. And around the edge, I'm gonna make a little ruffle around the edge of my little corset. And I'm gonna be doing opposite colors of which side I'm doing. So red on this side and green on this side. With white paint, I'll be highlighting my whole corset area, including the little ruffle detail. So I'll make the Harley's diamond pattern on the green side with red paint. Okay guys, all that's left to do is put my contacts on, put my wig on, and we're done.